Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. It's been a few months since we last did a video, but with the world slowly getting back to normal, we hope to continue providing more educational videos for everybody to enjoy. So let's jump right into today's video, where I will be showing you how to swap out a plug for an active core on one of our VSR plug kits. If you receive slot machines from an OEM manufacturer with our barrel plug kits already installed in them, you may be wondering how to pull out that plug and replace it with an active core. Today I will be showing you how to do that. Before we begin, I recommend getting a hold of some sort of flathead screwdriver and one of these plug removal keys. If you do not have any on hand, contact your VSR rep to get a few of these before you begin this project. The part number is in the description below. For step 1, use the flathead driver to open up the machine and access the barrel plug kit that you wish to swap the plug on. Remember, it is always very important to open up the machine first when dealing with locks, just in case something goes wrong. For step 2, we will use the black key to remove the plug. While the barrel kit is set to the open position, insert the hook end of the key into the side of the plug that has a shallow cut. You will notice how one side has a very deep cut and one does not. When you feel that the hook has caught onto the cutout in the plug, pull the key along with the plug out of the barrel, leaving an exposed hole. For the third step, make sure that the barrel kit remains in the open position. You can double check by simply moving the cam on the inside of the machine into open position, or by using a flathead driver to manually move the notch on the inside of the barrel until it is facing up and down. Then take your live core and your reinsertion key. The stamping of that key will begin with the letter R. Insert the key into the live core and turn it to the open position to match the direction in which the barrel kit is currently on. Make sure the groove on the back of the core matches the notch on the inside of the barrel. For your final step, once you have inserted the live core into the barrel and the core has sat properly into place, turn the key into the lock position and remove the key from the now active lock. Make sure to test it with the operator key and not the same key that you used to insert the core. Remember, the reinsertion key is only used to remove and replace cores and should not be used for daily operations. If you have multiple plugs on your machine, repeat these steps for every application until you have finished. Next time you receive machines with VSR plug kits on them, now you know how to swap out those plugs for active cores. Thank you all for watching, stay safe, and I will see you next time.